I'm going to pull a fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
So, who is the idiot that pulled the fire alarm? No one is going home until we find out.
Oh yes. It was me. I did it because I wanted to skip math.
New Routemaster. How dare you pull the fire alarm? You know that's a crime and could get you arrested. That's it. I'm calling Enviro 400 about this and he is going to have you grounded for a ridiculous amount of time.
Oh my absolute freaking god. New Routemaster, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You know you can get put in prison for that. That's it, you are super ultra mega grounded 456728917534567263100000000 years. March upstairs to your room right now before I send you to the BND of Doom logo.
Put me on Route 57 right now.